most people are using Microsoft Excel wrong. Not because they don't know Excel, but because they're still doing manually what AI can do in seconds. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Claude inside Excel to clean data, to fix errors, and to build formatting without using a single formula. And I want to be clear, this isn't a video about replacing your Excel skills. This is about multiplying them. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been using Excel for 20 years, Claude makes you faster, more accurate, and just more capable. I partnered up with Claude to create this tutorial video for you because I've been using Claude every single day for more than a year, and it's one of the few subscriptions I actually pay for, and I'm happy to pay for because the amount of time it saves me every day is actually ridiculous. And Claude Excel, it can build models, it can clean messy data sets and debug formulas in just seconds. And in this video, I'll give you quite a few different use cases on how it can save you so much time as well. For example, I'll show you how to turn a spreadsheet that looks like this, a pretty standard boring data set, into a spreadsheet that looks like this with just one prompt. But first, let's start with the absolute basics. So to connect your Microsoft Excel account with Claude, it's super simple. You just go to Claude in Microsoft Office. I have a link in the description below. Alternatively, just open Excel and click the Add In button in the top right, and then type in Claude, and then you can add it from there. Once it's installed, you can open Excel, you click the orange Claude icon in the top right, you click Log into Claude, then click the Authorize button, copy sign-in code, paste it back into Excel, and Claude and Excel are now connected. The whole setup process takes about 1 or 2 minutes, and you only have to do it once. After that, Claude is just kind of sitting there in the top right corner of Excel, ready to go whenever you need it. No switching tabs, no copy pasting data into a separate AI tool, no losing your place in the spreadsheet. It's all right there. So the first thing I want to show you is how Claude can basically find any errors in your spreadsheet. So I've got some data here and I've purposely added 4 errors. The first error, I've typed an extra space in cell B2. I've typed an extra letter E in cell B11. I typed the letter D into cell E5. And in cell I17, I removed the % formatting. So now let's see if Claude can firstly find all these errors, and secondly, actually fix them for me. So I highlight the table, I click the big orange Claude button in the top right, and I give it a very simple prompt. I ask it to just fix this data. And you can see Claude thinking in real time. It's figuring out all the issues in the spreadsheet. And this is what's interesting. Firstly, it fixed all 4 issues that I purposely added to the dataset to test it, but it also found an issue that I didn't even know was there. Basically, none of the formulas in row I were working, and Claude found the issue and fixed them for me. A perfect example of how AI can catch errors that humans miss. And think about what that means in real work context. How many times have you sent a spreadsheet to a colleague or a client and there was a formula error buried in there that nobody caught? A wrong number in a report, a broken formula in a financial model, a percentage that was calculating off the wrong cells. Now, these things happen all the time, and they can be really embarrassing, or in some cases, genuinely costly. And Claude basically acts like a second pair of eyes that never gets tired, never rushes, and never misses anything. I'll take you over to another Excel spreadsheet. So this isn't just test data like the previous Excel sheet I just showed you. This is an actual carbon wheel scorecard that I use for one of my other businesses. I basically review road bikes and carbon wheels, and I do all sorts of tests on them, and I then score each wheel from 1 to 5 in each category. Quite simple, really. And I'm using this spreadsheet because I want to show you a real life use case example where I use Claude in Excel. So here we've got scores from 1 to 5. Basically 1 is very bad and 5 is very good. So every cell that has a score of 1, I'd like it to be highlighted in red. And every cell that has a score of 5, I'd like it to be highlighted in green. The more traditional way of doing this is to go into conditional formatting and then using rules to set that up. But with Claude, it's faster and much easier. So I basically highlight the data as usual. I click the orange Claude icon. And I use the prompt highlight cells 1 equals red and 5 equals green. And within seconds, it's done exactly what I wanted to do. But now let's say the red and green are the colors are just too deep, they're too bright. So I asked Claude, make the red and green colors more faded. Now, what's interesting here is I'm not using any super technical prompts. I'm literally just talking to Claude as I would talk to a human being. But Claude understands exactly what I want, and it fades out the colors nicely. Now, this is something I want you to really kind of take note of, because I think a lot of people assume you need to learn some kind of special language to use AI tools effectively. You really don't. Claude is trained to understand natural conversational language. So if you want something to look different, just describe it the way you describe it to a colleague sitting next to you. Make it less bright, move that column to the left, add a total row at the bottom. That's genuinely all you need. And the biggest thing here is I don't need to be an Excel wizard to use Excel at an advanced level anymore. I don't need to learn about conditional formatting or using super complex formulas. I literally just ask Claude to do what I want, and I work with Claude to get the job done. Now here's another example. I want to turn the data of these 13 carbon wheels into spider charts to get better visualization of which wheels have the best test results. So I highlight the whole page with the Mac keyboard shortcut Command+A. Then I type in the prompt to create a spider chart for each wheel. And I'm purposely using very simple prompts to show you that you don't need to be a prompt engineer to use Claude in Excel. And in about 60 seconds, it comes up with 13 spider charts. The problem now is you can see some of the charts are overlapping the text behind it. So I asked Claude to fix it, and 60 seconds later, that's exactly what Claude does. What's also nice about Claude is, sure, it can do all the complex formulas and charts and graphs for you, but it can also help with brainstorming, right, within Excel itself. So I asked Claude, give me some ideas to improve my spreadsheet. And it gives me genuinely some very good ideas, like adding an overall score column, or a rank column, or adding a sorting and filtering function. One of the ideas is consolidate the awards into a filter-friendly format. And now that Claude has suggested all these ideas, I can then go ahead and ask it to implement any of these ideas. So I ask it to improve the awards section, and sure enough, it does exactly that. Again, less than 60 seconds. Now, I use this brainstorming feature more than I thought that I would. Sometimes you've been staring at a spreadsheet for so long that you just kind of lose perspective on it and you stop seeing what's missing. And having Claude look at your data with kind of like a fresh set of eyes and suggest improvements, it's a bit like having a really smart consultant review your work. So now I'll head over to another example dataset to show you some more tricks, and I absolutely love this example. So I've got a fairly straightforward dataset here. The first thing I'll do is I'll ask Claude to check the data and fix any errors, and with this particular data, he did find quite a lot of errors and fixed them all pretty quickly. But the spreadsheet looks very black and white, a little bit boring. So let's ask Claude to spruce it up a bit. I'll use the prompt, make the spreadsheet more aesthetic and add colors. And look at that, that's incredible. That would have probably taken me a whole day to make a spreadsheet look like that. In fact, I probably wouldn't even know how to do half of this. In columns E, F, G, and H, there are bar charts within the cells. In column K, there are color-coordinated arrows going up and down and sideways. And I've just essentially become an Excel wizard just because I use Claude in Excel. So if you're using Excel regularly, I completely, wholeheartedly recommend Claude. Seriously, it will probably save you so much time. I've dropped a link in the description below for you to get started. And if you like this video, I made 3 more productivity AI videos. You can click on the cards on the screen to watch those, and I will see you over there.